Hi guys, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a voiceover today because I've had some malfunction with my microphone on my camera. So I'm having to do a quick self-learning process in voiceover. I'm doing a twin cup flip cup pour with my normal acrylics by Montmartre, studio acrylics, mixed with my normal pouring medium of the clear Montmartre PVA glue and water at 70/30. You will find all the instructions and my recipe underneath this video in the drop down box. That will give you all the instructions and my recipe and my method, so that is there. But I just add that pouring medium to my paint. Each different colour requires a different amount, so I just pour it and stir it until it becomes the correct consistency. So I'm trying this little flip cup pour, sort of an ocean themed flip cup pour, on a little Montmartre canvas. I think it's a 40 by 30 canvas that I'm pouring on today, and I'm going to do some really yummy colours. Here we go. Come on, Jilly, get moving, get pouring. That's telling you now that I added 2 drops of the Helmar silicone to each cup of paint that I'm going to use. That is the beautiful Montmartre metallic gold. Love, sheeny, shiny gold. It's really lovely. You can add that to different other colours too to make them metallic and make different colours. So I do like that particular paint and the silver one. Now I'm adding here some of the Berrylicious that I like to make up. That particular one I think is the magenta with a good blob of black in it, but you can also make it up out of the real deep red with a dash of the phthalo blue and a dash of black. That makes a really nice deep berry colour. So just loving this colour at the moment, and in the different shades you can make it by just trying to different amounts you add to your paint. So this one is just the Montmartre Brilliant White. Remember, as I said, each of these colours have got just 2 drops of that Helmar silicone. This one is the, I think that one's the Viridian. That's one of the new colours from Montmartre, and that's Viridian, and that is gorgeous, like a sort of teal green colour. It's really lovely. I like that one too. They're all so yummy. Look at those colours, they look so yummy together. Yeah, there you go. Oh, it's a 25 by 30 Montmartre canvas. I just had a box of them. They're, I think, a little bit cheaper if you buy them by the box, but they're a really nice sturdy little canvas that comes pre-gessoed. Next colour is the turquoise, the Montmartre turquoise, which is another one of my favourites. All colours are my favourites. I love them. You guys were asking how my little Benson was, because he was showing a few signs of sort of a bit of shaking of a head and some other little health issues that I worried about. But the vet reckons it's the Royal Canin dog biscuits that I have him on, that not all dogs go very well on biscuits, that the told me to change his diet to an all-meat diet. So just for those that asked, he's doing well at the moment. We've got to just keep an eye on him and change his diet slowly. So getting back to this painting, I'm just layering with the same colours as what I explained before. So some more gold, some more berry, some more turquoise. So it's kind of like oceany colours, except I've added that deep berry in there. Now I'm debating here because I've got two cups to flip. I've got one smaller and one larger. I just wanted to try something different, as you do. Debating whether to do like the cross arm, two together pour. Yeah, thinking should I or shouldn't I? Let's see how I go. Come on, Jilly, just do it. Here we go. One and a two. Just a quick flip of the hand. See, I was trying to be smart and thinking I can pull these back. Both of them together, but I think I'm just better to stick to my day job and do it just without the tricks. Giving a shake of the, that's pre-made up, just brilliant white in the Montmartre with my pouring medium in it that I've made a nice big container up, so I've got it there to do this with. Keep for the occasions when you need it, instead of making a pile up, a cup up at the time. So it's a good idea to keep a nice big container full, and you've got a lid and that, then it still keeps fine in the container for quite a while. I'm just doing my little edges. Don't really need to do this, so it's just sometimes it saves you a little bit of effort trying to get your edges covered up, but not that that normally worries me, because I just I'll just finger pop it afterwards with the paint that's run off. But it's just a little idea to get the edges covered. So exciting, waiting to see these colours form. Gonna be a stunner. Oh, just do it, Jilly. Oh yeah. Thinking, no. See, I chickened out. Oh gosh, I'm not a risk taker, am I? There's a flip and lip. This is the lovely Karen Dernish does a lovely flip and lip, I think she's called it, and it's kind of taken on of that name. So it's just basically flipping your cup and with the lip of your cup running it back over your work. Look at those colours. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Love those colours together. Love, love, love. Just take it nice and slowly, tilting your canvas, covering all those edges. If you wanted to leave some white negative space, obviously you could. You can do anything you choose to do. Remember, your art, your way. Oh, what did I do here? Oh, there you go. I added a bit more that was left in. That does add an interest to go back over it again, like that. Just put some of the colours back in on the top that might be hiding under there and they don't show. It's another way of getting the gold to show through on the top, because the gold seems to just sink. That's why I'll try to do the gold and the metallics a little bit thicker, because for whatever reason they sink. I know there's a technical reason, but I'm not going to go into it, because I don't particularly think about it. Just finger popping the edges here, look, just using the paint off the edge. It's no big deal, it's no problem to do it that way. It still gives you a lovely looking piece at the end. Oh, don't tilt that Berrylicious off. Oh, keep that there. Aren't those colours just divine? I love that. Might try a really, well, a much bigger canvas in those colours because I love them so much. There you go, there you go. Super duper. Yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a comment. I did try. Thank you so much, you guys. I just got a chance now to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Those who haven't subscribed, please do so. It's absolutely free. Doesn't cost you one bean. Just helps me continue my joy of these tutorials and giving these tutorials to you for free. Come on, Julie, get the heat wand, get your wonder wand out and get torching that little beauty. Oh, I've got some gubbers in there. I don't know what that was. I think it was actually out of that white paint. I might have to check that I haven't got some lumpy bits left. But you know what? I don't really stress over a few lumps and bumps because, you know, mixed media. It's all good unless you're absolutely pedantic. A few lumps and bumps, just like a few lumps and bumps on my body, you know, shows I've got a history, and that's same with the paint. There you go, my lovely Wonder Wand. I just love that tool so much. It's bursting some air bubbles and it helps bring up a few cells, but I don't really want too many cells in this particular piece of art. That's really nice, just as it is. That's very nice. While I'm pondering over it, I'm obviously talking and telling you, oh, I might be telling you my joke for the day, and I cannot remember what it was at all. Is why do crustaceans, why don't crustaceans share? Why don't crustaceans share? Because they're shellfish. Okay, that's my nana joke. You've been sending me a few of these nana jokes in the comments. I'm trying to write them down and remember them, so I've got a nice little silly joke for each pour I do. I don't know what on earth I'm pointing to there, but obviously I think there may be a little bit of crazing in the paint, which could be due to the white. I'm not sure why, because my white has just got the normal pouring medium in it. But you know what? Looking at this side of it now, it looks pretty good to me. Pretty good to me. Hope you enjoyed this, guys, and thank you so much for watching my channel. But hopefully I will have the sound issues all sorted and won't be doing this voiceover too often. I mean, I know lots of artists do the voiceover, and that's very good. Oh, bring it in a little bit closer. That's pretty good. Okay, stop and wait till the end to see the dry results of this little stunning little piece. I'm really happy with this. I love it. Thank you, guys. Bye for now.